Hey guys, what's up? I just got this cushion from Amazon and I thought I'd open it up with you guys so we can take a look at it. I can tell you what my first thoughts are about just the quality and how well I think it's going to help me. I work from home and I've used a laptop for a long time just chilling on the couch, but I really decided this year I was going to have like a home office desk space. And I'm just not used to sitting at a desk all day. And although I have a really comfortable chair, I need more. I have a bad lower back. And I think that I'm really hoping that it'll be helpful for that. And it seems like it's going to be. Okay, so first off, usually things like this take a little time to expand, but man, that's really filling out already just right after opening it up. So on the bottom side, you have this like sort of like a rubber or silicone like little beads that are going to help hold it in place. So if the chair you're sitting on, like for example, if it was wood and it was slick, this is going to help that stick. We can see here, I'll just put it right here on this chair. Although I think maybe it's supposed to be this way. I need to look and see with like the slant sort of going toward the front where your legs go down. But you've got quite a bit of cushion there. I mean, that's a couple inches at least. The material feels nice. I don't know if you can kind of see that. It's smooth, soft enough. It's got this like white ribbing here. And then it also has a zipper, and then it looks like we can remove the cushion. So this is what the cushion itself looks like, right? And now this is a bit different from that's probably why it filled out so fast. I don't know if you can see this material, but it's different than some of the other memory foam things that you see that have a lot more like air pockets in them. This doesn't really have that. Which is probably why it filled out so quickly and it feels really nice. So you definitely get a lot of cushion there. I can see why this would be helpful. I'm definitely looking forward to trying it out a little more and reporting back after I've used it for several days. But anyway, I hope this was helpful for you and helps you to decide if this is something that's going to be good for you.